Hello everybody, my name is Vlad Catrinescu and I'm one of the speakers at the upcoming SharePoint Fest Seattle 2018. The reason I'm doing this video is to introduce you to one of my workshops at SharePoint Fest called Congratulations, You're Our New SharePoint Admin. This workshop really focuses on upgrading your skills from SharePoint On-Prem to SharePoint Online. A lot of administrators who manage SharePoint On-Prem manage servers, service applications, web applications, IIS, SQL, doing all of the maintenance and upgrades, and they were really good at it. And after quite a few years of managing SharePoint, you master it all and you can do it all with your eyes closed. However, one day you get back to work and you hear that we're moving to the cloud. And as an admin, you're not only going to have to manage SharePoint on-prem anymore, but also SharePoint Online. So you're going to need to manage not only SharePoint, but Office 365 groups, Flow, Power App, and a bunch of other ones. And in this workshop, what we'll cover is exactly that. How to manage your SharePoint Online site collections, how to manage external access, how to manage search, manage metadata in the cloud. And we'll also look at how to manage related services that SharePoint Online admins usually have to manage, such as Planner, Groups, Flow, and other tools like this. I really hope that you will join me in this workshop at SharePoint Fest, and I'm looking forward to see you and to help you upgrade your skills from SharePoint On-Premises to SharePoint Online.